to Chongqing.
There are so many people. What are they looking at? I have never seen such a strange thing before. There is still some noise when train passes by. Would neighbors on and off have any objections?
I brought a sound level meter. Let's have a test.
What to do if it's windy? Will it unstable?
Is it really a ground floor? I suggest you to think again. Follow me.
Oh my god! Where we are? Unbelievable!
This is Michelle.
I'm Niranjan. Today we came to Chongqing to find some strange things. There are so many people. What are they looking at? Let's find it. Let's go.
Yes. Is it here?
Yes, this is the building. It's so strange. Train passes through the buildings. I have never seen such a strange thing before.
At the design stage, the planning of rail transit route and the residential building were finalized almost at the same time. And after much discussion, it was decided to build the railway station and the residential building at the same time. At least 6 versions of draft drawings were revised before the final design was determined.
We are inside the residential building. There is still some noise when train passes by. Would neighbors on and off have any objections?
I brought a sound level meter. Let's have a test.
Yes, sure.
You see, it's almost lower than 75 averagely.
This is good.
Detached station bridge structure was adopted at the design stage of Liziba station and commercial residential building, with track bridge and commercial residential building structural support systems set separately, effectively solving their vibration transmission problems.
Due to use of low noise and low vibration equipments on the monorail with inflatable tires and air springs supporting to the entire vehicle body, the sound level during the operation is lower than 75.8 decimal of urban trunk line. We have arrived at the ground square.
Is it really a ground floor?
Yes, because it's next to the road.
I suggest you to think again. Follow me.
Okay, let's go.
See? Is it really the ground floor?
Oh my god! Where we are?
We are at the 22nd floor.
Unbelievable!
Yes, this is some kind of strange things in Chongqing as well. Let's go.
Now we continue to the 8th floor. Pass through the underground garage and go to the road. We turn into the building on the right and now we are on 13th floor. There is a connecting bridge between 2 buildings. This is 13th floor. This is 12th floor. And downside you can see again monorail. When we come out from the 14th floor, we again on the street.
So according to the map, we are here. So can you try to point out the location of the Yangtze River cableway?
Oh, it's very easy for me.
Okay, sure. Please try.
You know, I think that is the big bridge and it's here on the river. And this one is from here to here.
Okay, let's review the answer now. You are almost 100% correctly.
Wow.
So the Yangtze River cableway connects the Yuzhong district and Nan'an district in Chongqing.
What to do if it's windy? Will it unstable?
There is an anti-swing device here which can withstand wind speed of 5 to 6 levels, which is very safe, environmental friendly, convenient, fast, punctual, and all-weather running. This is China's first self-designed, self-manufactured, self-installed, and self-debugged double load-bearing and double traction cableway.
There is indeed something about infrastructure giant. No hotpot, no Chongqing.
Today, let's start with a hot pot.
And experience the charm of Chongqing at the night.
不摆了哇，解放碑的钟啊！
Chongqing is known as the capital of Chinese hotpot.
Yes, and legend has that in Chaotianmen, located at the confluence of the Yangtze River and the Jialing River in Chongqing, was a place for slaughtering livestock. Sailors on the shore picked up unwanted scraps, washed them and poured them into a pot.
They added chili pepper, Sichuan pepper, garlic, ginger, salt and so many ingredients together to cook.
And it also became the earliest specialty food in Chongqing, the spicy hot pot. And the Chaotianmen pot is also known as the birthplace for Chongqing hot pot.
It not only filled the stomach but also drove cold and dampness. All my friends told me, like, go to Chongqing and eat hogo. That is very, very delicious.
Yes, yes. So, is this your first time to Chongqing, right?
Yes, I came first time in Chongqing.
And first time this real Chongqing
Hogo.
hot pot.
Yes.
Okay.
Real Chongqing hot pot, first time.
Called 九宫格. It has 9 blocks.
Ah.
It's their specialty. Try it.
Very delicious. Spicy.
The taste is very complex, right?
Spicy, delicious. 你们什么时候吃火锅？
我们想吃的时候就吃，
夏天
夏天也会吃。
一般1周2次嘛，夏天差不多1周1次嘛。
It's so strange. Who eat hot pot in summer? It's so hot.
People in Chongqing take eating hot pot in summer as using poison to fight poison or detox, which relies on the dehumidification function of the Sichuan pepper or chili peppers to eliminate the dampness through the body. And you know, since now the air conditioning is used, the electric fan before was replaced by the air conditioner, and the hot pot is still eaten normally.
It's looking like kind of medicinal hot pot. Eat it and get more healthy and immunity like that. Because in that, you know, so many ingredients are in hot pot.
Yes. You see this Sichuan chili, this garlic.
Chili, black pepper, brown pepper.
Please guess which traditional Chinese residential building Hongya Cave was built on?
I think cave dwelling.
Actually not. Hongya Cave built with the injection of Bayu traditional architecture features of stilted house into a new cultural concept through the innovative thinking perfectly integrates the river scenery and the urban landscape. It rises along the cliff with an extraordinary 75 meters scattered randomly over the mountain.
Nowadays, Huangya Cave for custom scenic area which get increasingly popular, has attracted many domestic and foreign tourists to stop and check in. How can? How think?
哎，
太阳出来喜洋洋
那都。是唱出老一辈的那种心情苦劳，
哦，
懂了没有？
懂了，懂了。
上山砍柴，
对对对
不。怕豺狼，
嗯哼
就是那个意思，
哼，明白明白。
明白了？
嗯，太阳出来了，喂，
喜洋洋啊，
喜洋洋呀，
蓝的，
蓝的。太阳出来了，喜洋洋洋。
太阳出来了嘞，喜洋洋哦，浪喽，跳起扁担，浪浪吹，狂吹。
太阳出来了，哎，喜洋洋子。
浪喽，听懂了没有啊？
太阳出来了，喜洋洋。
那你到石柱去一定要把这首歌学出来。
We have arrived at Chongqing Township Primary School. Here, children have shifted from having education to having a good education. Hello, 大家好，你好。Namaste. धन्यवाद.
那你到石柱去一定要把这首歌学出来。
一定要把这首歌学出来。
浪才
太阳出来了，哎，
喜洋洋了嘞，浪吹，浪吹，狂吹，登高楼嘞。
As local government accredited high quality and balanced development of compulsory education, promoted urban-rural integration and optimized the allocation of regional educational resources, the changes in primary school are the evident in recent years.
Question.
Why was it named Three Gorges?
The name refers to the three splendid valleys of the Yangtze River, which are Chutang Gorge, Wu Gorge, and Xilin Gorge. We have arrived at Chutang Gorge today, which is the first of the three Yangtze Gorges. Let's take a look together.
Chutang Gorge is the shortest among the three gorges, only 8 km long, but it boasts precipitous and magnificent characters. Thousands of rapids in the upper reaches of the Yangtze River, carrying tremendous power. Arriving here is a grand and mighty manner. Ship going downstream from the Sichuan province can easily run aground and sink if not taken seriously. The most dangerous place often have a rare scenery.
You see this beautiful scenery. Do you know that that is the scenery on the RMB 10 banknote?
Oh, really? Yeah.
So it's very famous scenery.
Wow, it's very beautiful. Look at that halls. What is that?
Those were the relics of cliff pathway built by the ancient people.
I think this is the suspended coffins.
Yes, do you know that high coffin, which has the similar sound of high-ranking officials, is a word to bless future generations with bless and prosperity. Another claim is to protect the bodies of ancestors from being spoiled by humans or animals.
There is a cargo also.
Yes.
150 years ago, the wooden official ship of ancient Chinese emperors on a southern tour had no other power except for using sails. It was mainly carried upstream by hundreds of boatmen, struggling to drag forward to the powerful rhythm of working songs. It takes a month to complete the 500-kilometer journey from Yichang to Chongqing.
With the continuous improvement of the connectivity of transport infrastructure of the Yangtze River economic belt and the continuous advancement of the joint construction of Belt and Road, China has expanded its pattern of land-sea linkages at home and abroad.